Welcome back. Peppers in Margao, a relatively new restaurant, has been catering to the taste of its clients, mostly Goans, for the last 2 years. Romil, who is a chef by sheer skill and talent, shared with us one of the restaurant's innovative recipe, pomfret stuffed with Reshad prawns and squids.
Romil started Peppers 2 years ago along with his cousin Julio with the unconditional support of his family. Cooking was a mere hobby for Romil, and it could be said that bachelorhood had made cooking a compulsion. Necessity is the mother of invention, and an innovative chef was born, ready to experiment with the conventional cuisine.
When I first started, I started in the Gulf about 10 years back. Okay. And when I was a bachelor, then we had to cook for our own selves. And I developed a love for food during that time. And we went on cooking, and it was really nice that, my friends used to come over and appreciate the food, things. I used to settle down in Goa and, have a nice small restaurant of my own. And, look, I need a small, I didn't want something big and commercial. I needed something small that I could look after well, and that's how we developed in starting a restaurant. I teamed up with my cousin Julio, and we both opened up this place.
Due to public demand, the restaurant included Chinese, Indian, tandoor and even sizzlers in their menu. The menu is revised every 4 months in order to serve the customers the very best.
Catering to demand for different people, we had to keep our Goan food where it was there as it is. And besides that, give another few flavors to the people. Like, we have a stiff competition from our tandoor and the sizzlers and steaks. Start with Goan food, as I said, but gradually as we moved on, we saw the demands of the people. And when a person comes, it's like a big shopping center. He will not shop only for one thing, he will want everything under one roof. And we try to do a lot of that and give it back to the people.
The proprietors have made efforts to revise the old Portuguese decor through the exteriors, though the interiors is a reflection of the Goan culture.
Something a little bit different, some fusion with a pomfret. We'll try a stuffed pomfret with prawns and squids. Okay. And Goans love seafood, so I said I'll show something that way.
Sounds interesting. Yeah. Pomfrets, 1 medium size, prawns 100 grams, squids 100 grams, turmeric powder half a teaspoon, Kashmiri chilies 5 in number, garlic 2 flakes, ginger half an inch, cloves 2 in number, cinnamon half an inch, jeera half a teaspoon, onions 1 small, Goan vinegar 1/4 cup, tamarind 1 flake, sugar half a teaspoon, salt 1/4 teaspoon. Method: grind all ingredients except the prawns and squids in vinegar. Heat oil in a pan and saute the finely chopped onions till golden brown. Add the prawns and squids along with the Reshad masala and fry till well blended. Remove from pan and allow it to cool for some time. Slit open the pomfrets on both sides, apply salt and juice of half a lemon. Set aside for 10 minutes. Stuff the pomfrets with squids and prawns. Fry the pomfrets in a shallow frying pan on slow flame till golden brown on both sides.
As you see, this is going pretty smooth inside, so this part is done, but as we poke inside, it's a little bit tough getting out, so we've got a few more minutes to be done. Get started.
Garnish with onion rings and lime. Serve hot with steamed rice.
Time for a short break. You are with Goa 365.